Hey friends, welcome back to your channel. Today is a new video. It's a drawing tutorial video. Today our subject is Sanjhalika from Sanjhalika Vlogs. You guys must have known her because she has got more than 1 million subscribers and she's a very well-known YouTuber in our Indian vlogging and kind of funny video space. She does a lot of funny videos, and in the beginning I have seen a lot of vlogs that she did. I really like her channel. If you guys have not watched her channel, you should just type Sanjhalika Vlogs, or you can just click on the link, the @ name that you can see on the title, and you would definitely be able to watch her vlogs. Coming back to the drawing, I tried to use Procreate as a simple paper and the Apple Pencil as a simple pencil, and what I wanted to do is here I just wanted to bring out a bit of sketchiness in the reality so that we are able to recognize Sanjhalika, and at the same time we keep that drawing and the art feel to it. So that's how I tried to keep this drawing, and for that I kept sketching from the top down approach. But even though with digital it is a kind of a helpful thing that you can use different kinds of layers, but I did not use this time a lot of layers because as I said already, that I wanted to keep it simple and a bit sketchy. That's why I kept on drawing, but while doing the mouth I realized that the face was not coming exactly well. That's when I had to go back into the helpfulness of digital drawings, which is not present in traditional ones. There you have to erase a lot of things, but here you can just kind of adjust and keep drawing on the same page. You don't need to completely throw away the current one and draw in another new one. That's a good thing that I see in digital paintings and digital drawings. I'm comparatively new in digital, but still I'm learning a lot of things, lot of new things. You guys will be able to watch new types of digital drawing. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then I would love you guys to please subscribe and keep sharing my videos, because I want to reach more and more people who would require these kinds of drawing, these kinds of tutorials which will help them to grow like I have been able to grow in YouTube. You can just go back and watch the oldest painting that I did, I think of a sunset, and from there till now it has been a long journey, and I really have improved as an artist. I believe I have been getting so many comments from you guys. It has always helped me. I have got criticism, I have got rebukes, and not only that, I have got praises, and you guys have been so kind that I really could reach my first important goal of getting 1000 subscribers. So with this drawing tutorials, if you guys want me to draw other kinds of tutorials, not only the face, or not YouTubers only, but other celebrities, sports person, music or movie personalities, then please comment down below. I love to read all your comments, and I can assure you that I will reply each and every comment that you are doing in this video. So please, if you want to pause the video, you can just pause it, but keep commenting, because that really helps me grow as a YouTuber, as an artist. So in this art YouTube space, which is very narrow, and it's not always about that great YouTube dream of becoming a millionaire or something, but I just want to reach more people. I just want to help other budding artists or people like me who have been drawing traditionally but are switching into digital. I want to reach them and would like to share their views, and that would also help them, and including me, to grow in the same manner. So that's why I just want you guys to keep commenting, and that helps me a lot. Coming back to the drawing, that's how I finished it. I did not do a lot of shading this time. As I said, I just wanted this drawing to be sketchy, kind of messy too, and still I did not draw her full length long hair, and in fact just wanted to draw her face. That's why I just kept it simple, and really feel that I could achieve what I wanted to, and this is here the final thing. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy, stay safe. Bye.